Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shib. Today, we have news of Samsung's new way to turn their Shiba Inu into a $3 coin. Over the past week, the most popular cryptocurrency in your pockets has been the Shiba Inu. A recent study by an online analytics firm found that baby boomers couldn't care less about banking, but money is fun when it can be programmed online. If you asked most people what they think was the most popular first currency for people just starting out with crypto in the last week, they would probably say Bitcoin, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Nor is it a peer-to-peer network coin Ethereum, which is the second digital currency by market cap. In this video, we'll talk about how Samsung came up with a new way to convert Shiba Inu tokens into $3. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price prediction and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. Nancy found some data on-chain that showed Shiba Inu was the most popular volatile digital asset for recently funded cryptocurrency wallets over the past week. During that time, Nancy placed more than $56 million in Shib tokens into 12,000 new wallets. Other than stablecoins, Nancy said, the ERC20 token was the cryptocurrency that appeared most often in these amounts. The Shiba Inu has seen a slight drop in price, just like the rest of the market. The decline occurred at the same time that stock prices began to fall after their January rally. Analysts and commentators have cited disappointing economic data and more hawkish interest rate talk from the Fed as a reason for this path. Ether encapsulated on Uniswap and shibaswap is the most dominant stock trading partner by volume. But Binance owns most of the Shiba Inu balances and SHIB balances. There have been false claims that Binance has removed the Shiba Inu from its list. On the other hand, the cryptocurrency central exchange removed some trading blocks that included SHIB. SHIB fans are looking forward to the Shibarium, which was just unveiled. Shibarium is an Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for launching decentralized applications that use SHIB as native token. According to whale-serving site Whale Stats, new data shows that the Shiba Inu holdings of the world's largest Ethereum whales have grown by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week. Since January 17, the 1,000 largest whales have purchased $422 million worth of the meme's assets. It has been said before that the same whale owns a ship worth $168 million. This means that, according to whale numbers, they have purchased 151 dogecoin competitors in just 4 days. The Shiba Inu is now the digital asset of the 1,000 largest whales. That's because they bought it like crazy. There are now another 584 million digital assets owned by high-net-worth individuals who do not account for vessel holdings. Traders include Oracle Chainlink Link Provider, valued at $65 million, decentralized exchange Uniswap Uni and deflationary CryptoBit, valued at $58 million each, and compatible blockchain Conshot, valued at $55 million. Whales around Shiba Inu may have affected the price of the meme token, which rose from 1,045 cents on January 17 to 12.10 cents at its highest point. Since then, the SHIB has continued to climb and is now worth 1,226 cents. The whales are buying SHIB as the ecosystem prepares for a beta release of Shibarium, a proposed second class for the Dutch competitor. The system will be a Layer 2 network built on top of Ethereum, such as Polygon Matic, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Shiba Inu coin has benefited a lot from the cryptocurrency's rally in the past few days. This is especially true. Last week, the price rose sharply again, and its value increased by more than 20%. Many buyers believe that the price will rise a lot in the next few months and years. John Richmond is an English-Italian fashion designer who has worked with a lot of well-known people like Madonna, the Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani, all of whom are beloved by critics. The fashion designer is now putting more of his attention on Web3. The new way of doing things comes from the benefits of autonomy. According to Richmond's tweet, the revolutionary punk rock movement and the invention of Web3 have a lot in common. The popular artist says it shows strong energy and a desire for change, much like the punk rock movement in the UK in the 1980s. Rock and roll has always meant to give the voiceless and the oppressed a chance to be heard, to break the rules, and to question the status quo. This is the same energy that keeps the artists and people in the Web3 community going. Richmond, John. John Richmond has worked with a lot of celebrities in the past, and his latest project is the cover of Vogue with Snoop Dogg. The famous hip-hop artist has given fashion a bit of West Coast style. John Richmond's idea of experimenting with different styles perfectly fits rebellious street style with a little bit of vintage. Sheep's Army was very happy that Snoop Dogg was in Vogue. In response, some members of Army of Ships asked lead developer Shigetoshi Kazama on Twitter if Snoop Dogg could perform at Ryoshi P Laser or Bark Park in Shib the Metaverse. Ultimately, HIB the Metaverse is a soon-to-be-finished Web3 project by the Shiba Inu software team. But before Shib the Metaverse can run, Shibarium has to start the Layer 2 scaling solution. Awesome, sir. See, Snoop Dogg performed on Ryoji Plaza, the WhatsApp ship. You will be a welcome guest in the Metaverse. Do you agree? Hashtag ArmyShipItShip, code in Shib. Simple and chip. MV at the AMA in Tachikazu. Can we? What about? Nobody said a word. The Shiba Inu community is eagerly awaiting the launch of the Shib Army Layer 2 blockchain, and the official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and core developer Satoshi Kusama offer hints as to when that might happen. Use Satoshi Kusama's Twitter status to see what's going on. Shrimpy believes that the beta version of Shbarmy will be released on February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of Shiba Inu development, changed his Twitter bio and added hints about when the Shibarium 2 blockchain will come out. The new bio says, "Take care of the pine tree of life and learn to quickly play the flute before placing the Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow." Is Shibarium in a tweet from January 20th? Shibholder said that the Shibarium is scheduled for February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. The Shiba Inu group believes the new bio means the Shibarium beta will start on Valentine's Day. While not everything is ready for launch yet, the fact that Shibarium's official Twitter account has published papers about the core ideas and the Bone Gas token shows that launch is close. Shibarium's research work is getting busier, too. On the other hand, GitHub data shows that the start can be delayed due to things that are not planned. This has happened before. On the other hand, Shiba, Inu, and Bone symbols bring whales. The rate of ship burns has risen and public opinion is at an all-time high. Certic, a leader in blockchain security, has found that Shiba Inu is the second most secure crypto project. The Bone Shiba swap is now priced at $1.48.03, which is an increase of more than 8 in the last 24 hours. Investors and whales are interested in this currency. Samsung Electronics said its Samsung mobile wallet app will now be offered in 8 more countries. The South Korean-based tech giant said the Cash app may come to Singapore,